Hey, one of the things we want to talk to you about today is job security, or those of you who might be worried about future job security, or more, I'm guessing this is probably what you're more interested in, is those of you who don't like your current work situation and you want to change your careers. Okay, what do you do? Well, we're of course going to be biased because we are in the digital economy. That's how we make our money and it's what we love teaching people about. But seriously, you need to consider the digital economy and getting trained in that space. It's kind of a no-brainer. It's where definitely going forward, there's going to be huge opportunities for career, but also there's some other, and I mean, that's probably a pretty obvious one, but some of the ones that we want to mention today is, and that I love about this thing is, when you retrain in this digital economy, you are learning how to build websites or make money online. So you can do that yourself. You don't just have to go out and get a job. So you've got the option then of creating your own wealth without having the fear around being, are you going to have a job in the next 12 months with an employer or something?
Yeah, you kind of take control of your own destiny. I mean, this is where the future's heading. We can see that changing as we go through. There's more and more jobs being disrupted by artificial intelligence and all that kind of thing.
Oh, it's coming.
It's coming. So you might as well be prepared, especially if you don't like your job right now. Now's the time to actually do something about it. And that's probably the top advice that we give to people, and something that a lot of people who come to us tell us. Look, I don't like my job. I don't know if it's even going to be there. What can I do? And from us, the main thing that we can see makes the massive difference and gives people a sense of control back in their life is being able to understand how to generate income in different ways. And being online and understanding how websites work, this is this long-term strategy. We've been doing this for 10 years now. So it's not like your fly-by-night, quick in and out strategy that fails in a year from now or 6 months from now. We've been doing this for 10 years. So if you want to look at more long-term, getting some skills under your belt that actually will set you up for the future and really form that base foundation for you, then definitely learning about websites, how they work, how the online economy works, how to market online, how to get your word out online, even if you've got your own business and you need to get the word out. That's the place to start. That's where we've seen our students have the best success. And
I would just like to add in one other food for thought too, is the way education has changed and what employers are looking for. They want to see well-rounded employees. So I would strongly recommend too, this idea of it's not about going out there and doing a 4-year degree anymore. No. That's not going to cut it in this new digital economy. You want to be looking for micro credentials. It's a big thing. It's what employers are looking for in Silicon Valley and stuff. They want to know people that they've gone and done little part-time courses and have got a wide range of digital skills. And the great thing is online, you can do that. And as we keep saying, it's also helping you can be building a nice side business for yourself while you're learning and doing these micro credentials as well. And micro credentials are easy and quick to do. You know, you can do short courses. You can even do like just 12-month courses, 6-month courses, stuff like that. Get various skills in areas that interest you, not just in coding and stuff like that, but in what we consider the really practical ones, which is how to build websites, of course how to buy websites, but how to build websites and get them making money.
Yeah, so if you want to if you're thinking about changing your career and doing something different, then definitely make sure you check out digital skills, whether that's building websites or SEO or social media or something like that. That's going to be useful for the future. It's definitely worth your time.